the premier institute, which is the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So they have released a vacancy for the selection of the design trainees as well as the management trainees in the technical cadre. We'll be discussing about the details of vacancies and what are the eligibility criteria and all those things as we move ahead in this video. So coming to the HL, what HL actually is? HL, it's a aeronautic complex, whereas they are into design. They'll be designing production, repair, overall upgrade of aircraft, helicopters, aero engines. So in short, you can say everything related to aircrafts, helicopters and avionics, they are into that. They will design, they'll produce, they are repairing. So everything is being taken care by HL. So it's one of the premier organizations in India. It has more than 20 product divisions, 10 R&D centers, and it is spread over 7 states and 9 geographical locations. So these are the number of vacancies. For the design trainee, which is the post one, they have released a total of 60 vacancies, and the splitting of all the vacancies for the reservation category is given. Similarly, for the management trainee, they have released a total of 40 vacancies, and the split is there as shown. So total of 100 jobs for engineers are available. We'll see the eligibility criteria. So what are the qualification requirements or the eligibility for us to be able to apply for this post? The qualification required for both of these posts is similar. So what is that? That is, you need to have a bachelor degree. So bachelor degree in engineering or the technology with 4 years after 10 plus 2. So you need to be a proper engineer from a recognized university in the disciplines of the branches. So what are the branches that are available? So for the post of design trainee, which are having 60 vacancies, what are the disciplines that you need to be engineer in? Aeronautical, which is aeronautical and aerospace, electrical, which includes instrumentation also, electronics, EC, electronic instrumentation control, and everything related to electronics in India, and they're eligible to apply. Similarly for mechanical industrial production engineering. So if you possess a degree, engineering degree in all of these branches, you can apply for the post of design trainee. So that is a good thing. Coming for the post of the management trainee, so these are the degrees in which you need to be engineer in. I mean electrical, electronics, mechanical, metallurgy and computer science. If you see these two, if you are an engineer in metallurgy or computer science, then you are only eligible to apply for the management trainee. So this is a good news for people belonging to metallurgy as well as a computer science background. They can apply for these posts. Next is how many marks or what is the percentage of marks they need to have in your engineering to be able to apply. So if you belong to general category or OBC or EWS category, you need to have 60 or 65% as shown across the respective engineering thing, and for the SC/ST it is a 50 to 55%. Similarly, for the post of management trainee, you need to have 65% for general and EWS category for electrical, electronic, mechanical, metallurgy, computer science. Okay. So in short, you need to have 65% and above in your engineering for you to apply. So what are the age limits? The age limit is should not be above 28 years. So it should be less than 28 years as on 05 for general and EWS category, whereas for SC/ST 5 years relaxation is there, and similarly in respect of OBC non-creamy layer 3 years relaxation is there. Application fee is rupees 500, which is excluding NEFT or IMPS charge. So this may be I think 12 to 18 rupees. So in short, it is 500 rupees. That is application fee. Whereas if you belong to SC/ST, they are exempted from the application fee. So you need not pay any fee. So it is free for you. So I suggest you all to apply for this post. Those who are belonging to these categories. Next, there is one important thing you need to know is there's a service bond. Like let's say once you have got selected into this HAL after writing the exam, then you need to serve a period of HAL for a 5 years. So this is including the excluding the training period. So what if you leave the organization within less than 5 years? So you need to pay a maximum of rupees 5 lakhs as penalty. Okay, depending on there are many things, but in summary, less than 5 lakhs you will pay when you release the job. I mean when you leave the job before 5 years of service. So this is the important criteria. Just make a note. 5 years bond is there. So how need to apply? The candidates who are interested and who are eligible, they can apply only through the website, which is through HL. The website link is www.hlindia.co.in. I have put it in the description section. This link, you can go to this link using this. So what is the last day to apply? The application has started from 17th March and it will go up to 5th of March, up to 3 hours for registration. So you have time up to 5th April. So this is one good news for all the engineers who are waiting to get a job into aviation space. So I suggest you to go through the advertisement PDF also we have pasted in the description. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. I'll be happy to answer your queries. And if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.